Your status is still the same.
You bitch, what?
I think we're live streaming.
We are?
Oops. Thanks, Alan.
Shots fired.
Apple's releasing new iPads next month. I don't know, but I think the announcement on the iPads may boost it. So if you buy it at a low, it might be a good 30. Yeah, but it's low right now, so
Well, it built up to the event.
True.
yeah, it's up from the 119. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Watch it drop and get it low. I'm considering picking some up. Microsoft's at 235. IBM's up. Amazon's at 31. Netflix down 10 at 513.
Tesla moving up. Roblox taking a dive, 75.11. AMC moving up 14.52. Ford high 12.84. Airlines are moving up.
Tesla jumped up to 688, 686.
Large red candle on VIX. 5 minutes.
SPY slowly moving up.
Keyword there being May, but this is the third time I've heard it this morning.
Heard what?
The iPads.
Oh.
I don't think it's over.
Do you think they'll talk about the Apple Car too as something for the future?
No.
Palantir at 25.
Palantir. Is that still a play? What are you guys doing with it? Swinging it?
No, wheel it.
I've been wheeling it.
Yeah, because it doesn't seem like it's a solid investment at the moment.
It's playing in a nice range though, so it's easy to wheel.
Yeah. I haven't looked at it in months.
SPY's been slowly moving up, which is beautiful.
Is it green yet or not yet?
No. VIX has been slowly coming down. Just had a 1 minute green candle at the 200 SMA.
390.
1 minute.
VIX has been slowly moving up though.
Yeah, it's still down 0.5%. What time's Paul speak? 3 or 2? I mean Eastern.
Around that time, yeah. It's his closing remarks.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what's he gonna talk about?
It's funny because it says watch live at 11:55, but it also says via pre-recorded video.
Fuck. He doesn't even want to be around to deliver the news.
So,
You got to be alive
Do you
to watch
blame
it.
him?
Do I watch him? No.
I think we can start coming down more over time.
There's nothing good gonna come out of this. I'm telling you.
Hey, for the
Well,
Well, it doesn't really.
$52,000.
It doesn't really matter what he says at this point. The bond market's going to do what it wants, and it's
Yeah.
going to keep going up, and tech's going to go down.
Yep. It's good to see the European banks, though, or the market following suit, saying we're not going to change shit.
Yeah, definitely.
I think that's key.
I do wonder, with numbers climbing a lot in Europe, if we're going to see some slow shutting back down in some areas.
I don't think you're going to see that in America.
Well, I
mean,
think
you see
our
what they're-
vaccination rates are higher, too, compared to Europe.
Yeah, you see what they're doing to Newsom. They actually got enough votes to run the election again. California.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah.
They're not gonna vote Newsom out.
But it's
I hope
crazy
they
that
do.
they're even doing this.
I mean,
just
what's the population of California again?
You're going to, if you vote him out, you're going to vote him out for another Democrat anyway, so it's not going to really
That's-
change much.
I was about to say that's true too. So, but still, I just don't see them swaying much for
it's the volatility, it's the uncertainty, right? It's just the friction, the conflict that it creates.
I mean,
Exactly.
that's been
I
the
think
whole
they
past
want to avoid
4
it.
years.
It's stupid. Trump announcing he's going to run in 2024.
Yeah, we all knew that.
Yeah, it's just what is the Republican Party going to do? Although
I
New
think
York,
the Republican Party is very divided now.
New York is heavily pursuing him now. Now that they've got the documentation, they're really expanding. They need to prosecute him.
Oh, I think he's hit with a barrage of lawsuits lately.
Yeah, they need to hit him really hard so he doesn't recover from it. Although if he does get elected, the market goes up and we all make a fortune. So sorry for those that like Trump. I'd rather not see him in office personally. So just my opinion.
You know what they say, opinions are like assholes.
Yep.
Yeah, you guys want Trump in office because the president don't matter. We need to get the idiots out of Congress.
Yeah, I was about to say that's more or less what I would say too.
100%.
I don't know about you, but Twitter in chief made my account go up and down.
Yeah, but more up than down, except for COVID's bullshit.
Definitely move the market. There's no doubt.
That was
Sleepy Joe's kind of
sleepy.
lackluster so far.
Yeah, he's a typical president.
I know, but this is kind of like it's kind of like
He's been in office less than 2 months, dude.
I know, but Trump was over there signing executive orders. Honestly, it's still not as many as Obama, but still, I mean, we were getting weird, regulation stuff taken care of. I mean, other weird crap that I can't even think of right off the top of my head.
Oh, that's the difference in parties, right?
Yeah.
He did his job well. He just wasn't presidential.
Yeah.
Oh God, no, he was
I don't-
not presidential.
I had a problem with how he spoke. That was my biggest issue.
Yeah, most people's.
I mean, you gotta go back in the '90s and remember Clinton. People had a problem because he wore blue jeans when he was on his property or some crap like that. Or Al Gore did too. That's
Ford
not
is
presidential.
At, top VWAP, very high RSI could come down here.
Are you still in your Ford trade?
Yes.
I am too. Ha!
Yeah. So Carlos, do you want to laugh at me real quick, bro?
It looks like
Yeah.
Coming down more.
So, you remember how many shares of Ford I bought, right?
it was thousands, wasn't it?
I bought 4,000 shares of Ford. So, I was like, Carlos told me to sell some covered calls. That's a great idea. Let me go do that real quick. Oh, nice. I got filled. Guess how many I got filled for?
How many?
I tried to sell 40 calls. I got filled for 1.
Yeah.
So I left like $300 on the table because of that.
Well, it's coming back today, isn't it?
Oh yeah, but like that would have just been a free couple $100 in premium I just collected for doing nothing.
That's why I like premium.
Love premium. The issue I have with it is just the amount of capital you have to tie up to get that premium. Do you have any recommendations to get a higher percentage return on premium on capital utilized?
Not recommendations. I like I said, I aim for 1.5 to 2% of the total capital as a return.
Nice. That's a solid goal. And then you say you're trying to go for what, 1% a week?
1.5 is my goal.
That's beautiful. Hey, did anybody watch Ford just fall?
I'm looking at Apple CSPs right now.
I do like Apple. But it's going to come down more, I would say, wait.
Yeah. I'm just kind of seeing what kind of premium they've got.
The premium's okay. I'm waiting for it to drop more.
SPY still down 0.5%.
I just want to get on one morning and hear Corp say we're all going to make money. I'll be happy.
Technically, on a red day, you can make money just from selling CSPs.
Mm-hmm.
Faster than at swing trading.
Well, here's the thing. Some of us are going to make some money today, and some of us are going to make some money tomorrow.
That's it.
And some of us won't make any money at all.
Yeah.
It's always the best when everybody's making money, though.
Hey, John, be careful about CSPs, especially with witching tomorrow.
Nice, thank you.
Witching's supposed to be green, though.
I mean, higher volatility means you could maybe sell bigger premium.
I'll definitely keep some funds available.
I feel like today's just gonna be kind of flat now.
Yep. I agree. It's going to be flat red.
So I went.
AMD diving.
Yeah, Tesla's
got
dropping.
some SPY calls this morning. Went and made a sandwich. Set a limit order. Well, set a limit order. Then made my sandwich. Came back and my limit order already filled.
Nice.
$55.
Hey, free sandwich, free Monday.
Maybe I'll open up another AMD CSP.
That's exactly what I was thinking too.
Hey, I bought some Tesla. I'm gonna try to day trade this, make some money.
Where'd you buy it at?
I started with a small position at 78.
It's going to hit 50, so be ready. Make sure you have a stop loss.
Yep, I don't want it to hit 50, but I believe you.
It seems to be bouncing. It opens at that 670, 680 mark, drops down to 650 something, then comes back up at close. And it
forgot
also depends
about it
on
on
Powell
the fake
says.
out, bro.
It also depends on Powell and his pre-recorded message.
How you doing, Court?
I am good.
I can see AMD dropping below 80 again.
Yeah, it's overbought if it's above 80 in my opinion.
Still had a leg open for my spread yesterday, and I just closed it. Split that I bought.
Wow, the 10-year yield rallied to a new 14-month high. I didn't realize it was that high.
Yeah, it has. I would think it has to come down.
It's a great time to buy tech though.
I think it can still drop a bit more though overall.
Oh, I agree, but still, guessing where the bottom is a game. But I think if you buy in, you're going to be okay long term. Is any predictions on Nike? Is Nike's earnings are tonight, right?
Nike should do very well.
I think so too.
What are you gonna look at, Air?
What's that?
I was wondering what you were gonna look at. What strike for AMD?
I'm looking at the 72.5 right now for April 16th.
Yeah, I was looking at the 75 just for that extra little bit, but safely 67.5.
I know I like the 67.5, but I don't know.
Nike went up and came straight back down this morning. I think there's a squirrel stuck in my chimney. Or a bird.
Wow, Tesla's dropping. Watch out, Alan.
I got caught on that fake out. I'm fine. I'm only 10 deep, so
Okay.
it's a small position.
I think AMD can drop down to about 78.
Please don't say that. I got 80 puts, bro.
Well, it broke below 80.
I know. I'm trying not to look at it right now. If I don't look at my AMD, the position just continues to do its thing.
You got
When
AMD.
do your puts
you
expire?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Oh, damn.
Friday.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Friday.
Is tomorrow Friday?
Tomorrow's Friday.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Are you long puts or you have cash secured?
CSPs.
Fail.
Gosh.
I got Palantir 25 CSPs that expire tomorrow.
My issue is I sold those CSPs at what, like 92?
That hurts.
Ouch.
Still be interesting to look at the time decay on it and how it actually does work.
I'm mainly looking at Apple and AMD CSPs today.
You guys ever heard of a poor man's covered call?
Yeah.
Is that a good strategy?
I've heard of it, but can't remember exactly what the setup is, the strat is off the top of my head.
It's called a ghetto spread, or at least some people call it that. What it is you sell a CSP, and then you buy put a couple strikes up. So let's say you get like you sell a 70 put on AMD, and then you buy a 60. Then you get the difference between the two credits, and instead of having to tie up $7,000, you only have to tie up 1,000. Does that make sense?
It's also called a put debit spread.
No. A poor man's covered call. So,
Oh,
I mean,
a poor man's covered call? What is that?
I was watching a video on it yesterday. I believe it's when you buy a leap, a deep in the money leap, a call, and then you'll sell out of the money calls on it. So you don't actually own any shares, but you own the leap, and then you sell calls against it.
Are you allowed to sell naked calls?
It's a spread, right? It would be like a calendar spread, so you're allowed to, right?
Oh.
You are. Mike has talked about it before.
So basically, it takes less capital than actually owning 100 shares and selling calls against 100 shares. I guess that's why it's called a poor man's covered call. It seems interesting. I just wanted some opinions on if people think it would be worth trying.
I think the best person to answer that would be Mike.
Yeah, I am, Alan.
Yeah, it's not.
My boy, my fucking killer.
This has been way better than Robinhood, for real, for real.
Yeah, dude. And then you sit there and you print out this free equity every single day.
Yeah, and I deleted that. I deleted Facebook in general, so I haven't even been on Facebook.
Hell yeah, bro. That's some king vibes. Now you're just sitting here, printing money, saving for your retirement, bro.
Yes, sir. You see that price target on X?
What's the PT?
28.
Yo, how is AMC still going up?
DSAC warrants are 144 right now.
That sounds like a good buy entry.
Oh. I hate you, Thraki.
What happened?
I'm talking about how cheap DSAC warrants are right now.
Do they hit 145?
144.
Ooh.
144. That looks very interesting.
1,000 limit by. AMD, green candle on the 5.
Yeah, just popped on the 1.
VIX is coming down again.
Today, John?
Yeah. Yeah.
That DM today?
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations, man. I'm sure that feels amazing.
Yeah.
Or finally improve your sex change?
Yes, sir.
I hate you, Thraki. I'm streaming right now.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
But God, John, congratulations. That's just the first step of many that you're going to be taking in your life.
Oh yeah. Fast track, son. Fast track that shit.
Hey, think about it now. You have just continually practiced and practiced and practiced and honed in your skill. And now it's time to let that skill just rip free and just show your true talent, bro. That's what you can do now. I fucking love it. That's amazing.
What Alan's saying is don't be afraid of who you are. Oh, we're not talking about what Thraki was talking about.
Oh, okay. I was about to say.
I'm just kidding. Congrats, John.
That's funny. You can always leave it up to Thraki for the comic relief.
Yeah,
Keep a solid line.
But congrats.
I appreciate it. I can be a cool kid.
AMD is looking very good right now. I'm thinking about buying another crap ton of it.
You know what CSPs are?
I just sold one at the bottom.
I'm probably gonna open a put credit.
Realtor, if you have some extra cash, I'd go CSP route right now. Or if you want to just go equity, go equity.
Realtor is
Yeah,
more
I
cash than all of us.
I like the equity, man, because you know me, I play long term.
Okay. Yeah, then just go equity. But, man, I gotta teach you about CSPs.
Yeah, CSP, it doesn't exactly mean that it's short term or anything, so
Yeah.
Fallon on this.
Yeah, I know. I haven't read up enough on them. Like, I'm one of those people, if I don't know about it 100%, I don't do it because that's how I lose money.
Mm-hmm. I fucking love that, but do you understand the premise of CSPs, or do you want me to explain that to you real quick?
I understand it. I've been reading a lot about it about the past week, and probably about another week after I read a little bit more, watch a little bit more videos, I'm probably going to be asking you.
Do it. Please ask me as many and all questions that you have. CSPs are a great way to create passive income, or also a great way to get entries into positions that you'd want for a better cost average.
Yeah, because I'm thinking about putting 20K into AMD right now.
John, are you trying to buy PCI or DSAC warrants right now?
Did I buy them?
Are you trying to? Because I'm battling somebody in the active trader.
Carlos.
Is it really?
Probably.
It's probably me.
Because I went from 144 and somebody put a bid at 145, and I put mine at 146.
Dude, mine's at 146.
Yeah, it's here then.
Well, I have. So wait, it's only showing mine though. What?
Yeah, I have a 500 bid on it.
So do I.
Yo, so Realtor, I'm looking for you right now. If you were to open up a 75 CSP on AMD, let's say you open up 3 of them, so you will tie up $21,500. You will make $510 in a month, or you get assigned 300 shares of AMD at a cost basis of $73.40. So it's like you either get your AMD at $73.40, or you go make a free, $500 for your 20 grand.
I like that.
That's what I think. 2.5% return in a month.
Dude, it's solid, Realtor, especially if you can wheel it. If you want to, you'll make some good money, and you just keep selling them until you get assigned.
Yeah, so the only downside with this, though, Realtor, is the amount of capital that you have to tie up, and you highly limit the amount of profit that you can make. You literally cap it. But what happens is you have that secure money compared to, let's see what happens, You are probably on your AMD until 73.4. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not worried about capital.
Hey, Throck.
That's a good problem to have.
Talk nerdy to me.
Do you have fibs on AMD?
I believe I do.
I just want to check and see if mine are similar to yours. I have one around 79.36.
No, I don't have that.
Okay, I've been messing around with them.
So I literally draw them from the 52-week low to the 52-week high, and then go from the 52-week high to the 52-week low, and it'll pull you there's 2 lines. I want to say it's the 62.8. That's different.
Okay, I'll try to draw them again, so that way I've primarily been using the clouds, but fibs I want to get into a little bit more.
Gotcha. Yeah, they're really easy. and it gives you a somewhat stable understanding of where resistance is, like major resistance.
ESN
So
is
you,
at 116.65.
so you do 2 sets of fibs on the same chart, right?
Yep, I do them. I pull them on the daily charts.
Gotcha.
All right, guys, my trading's done for the day. I got to get off here. I got 7 closings. See y'all. Hopefully,
Shit, that's a lot of money.
See you, realtor.
yeah,
See you, realtor.
I'll be on the rest of the day. I'll see y'all tomorrow, though. So I'll have lots
Good
of
one.
checks to buy lots of crap tomorrow.
I don't have any clue.
Yep.
What I'm talking about.
Why are you being so cryptic? You might as well just tell
Let
us
us
at this
know.
point.
Air, do you really not know, or are you just being a smartass?
I'm just being smart.
Okay.
Someone's
Alan.
bidding up DSAC warrants. Damn it. Is that you, Throck?
No, I'm still at 146.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, I don't see you in the exchange at all.
That's weird. I'm even looking at it right now.
Like, do you see your bid on the level 2?
One sec.
This is only showing my 500.
That's weird.
Do you see what I'm talking about, though?
Yeah, I do.
Hey, Air.
What's up?
There's also a bot command that you can do on here that'll show kind of the fibs. I just can't remember what it is.
Oh yeah, I've tried that a couple times. It's pretty accurate, it seems.
Yeah, I just meaning if you drew them and you were kind of wondering, you could check them with that to see if you're close-ish.
No, that's a good idea. Thanks. Yeah, I don't see it, Rocky. That's weird.
Air, did you have any of that info relayed to you from Specs class?
Which info?
Just anything.
Oh
About,
no, I haven't had a chance yet. I think he recorded it, didn't he?
Yes, we're gonna upload that later.
Okay, yeah, I didn't have a chance to look at it. I mean, I sat in a little bit and I got called away.
Yeah, once they upload the video, you'll be good to go.
Yep. If you guys can't tell, we're trying to use like YouTube a little bit more now.
Yeah, I really like the monkey bars expanded.
Yo, Clay, you here, bro? Much love, brother. Much love. Sorry it took me, 40 minutes. Got him.
Alan, people are coming back with AYTU.
Oh, God. Are people starting to trade that again?
Look an exclusive.
Oh boy, I mean, there's money to be made, but like, not the same.
Yo, Thraki, if you really don't care about that last clubhouse invite, I'll take it, but it's whatever, really.
I need you and Air to message me your numbers.
Here, let me see if I have an extra, and I'll send one to Aaron. You send one to John.
Okay, John, send me your number.
Alrighty.
Sorry, I need to turn on my alerts for the other channel.
Hey, Aaron, I just sent you an invite to Clubhouse.
Oh, cool. Thanks, Alan.
Yep, no problem. Does anyone else need one?
Is that for anybody?
Yeah.
Morning, Mike.
Good morning, good morning.
Pretty good
What's
day.
up, Mike?
Some put credit spreads.
Yes, sir. Looks like it.
Hey, someone was asking about was it poor man's crap?
Poor man's covered call.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I've never done one.
I think it was Greg.
Yeah, I was just wondering what everyone's thoughts were on them. Like, as opposed to the wheel or something like that.
The wheel is better for sure. Because if a poor man's covered call goes wrong, you can't just let it run like you can a regular covered call. But I've never actually done one myself, so.
Mike,
Wait.
Keep talking about options, bro.
Huh?
Keep talking about options. I just posted that you're live talking about options.
What? Really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Wait, Mike, why can't you just let it run?
Because you can, but your leap will like keep losing money, you know. Because of the theta.
Wait.
Sometimes it just
Hold
doesn't
on.
work.
Don't you buy the leap and then you sell like something 45 days outish, or am I?
Yeah, pretty much.
So if
but-
it runs, you're really in a bad position because you bought a leap, right?
Well, I've never done one before, honestly, so I don't have any actual experience with the poor man's covered call. But it involves buying an option instead of using the shares, so it's just way less flexible. And you're gonna have to worry about the leap a lot more than you'd have to worry about 100 shares, you know.
And what if you got called on one of your sell cover calls? you wouldn't have shares to get taken away other than that leap.
Yeah, you'd have to. That's another thing too.
You have to exercise your leap. That's the thing. But you're gonna buy a leap in the money, if I'm understanding correctly.
Yeah, you have to buy like 80 plus delta. So yeah, I mean, you'd lose a lot of money if you exercised it, probably, because you spend so much on it. So, I don't personally like it. I would rather learn how to trade calendar spreads than poor man's covered calls. They're kind of similar, but
So
the calendar is the.
Honestly, I wouldn't really mess around with calendars. If you want to do anything with calendar spreads, just go ahead and roll CSPs.
Yeah, I mean, honestly.
The poor man's covered call is a calendar spread, though, right? Or
it's actually I think a
won't
diagonal
always
spread.
work. I just tried it.
A calendar spread uses the same strike. A diagonal spread that uses two different strikes.
right, you're gonna use different strikes and different dates.
Yep, that's diagonal. Let's see what that broken wing butterfly is marking at. It's literally like the same price. Holy shit, how much is AMD down? 3.5%.
Yours is still marking at 20, 25?
No, it's like 30, 35. It changes, but
Yeah, mine, that's looking at 35. Between 25 and 35.
the AMD spread I put on is 5 wide AMD spread I put on is marking like worse than the broken wing butterfly, which is 10 wide technically.
You said it was the credit spread on AMD?
Yeah, put credit spread 75-70.
You go 5 wide on them? Or is that just that one that you did?
Usually 5 wide on the Robinhood.
Gotcha. If you go much farther than that, it's kind of pointless, right?
No, not necessarily. Like it just becomes more like a CSP. You spend less money on your hedge, which is a good thing because you collect more premium. But I mean, it kind of depends how big your account is, really, which one you should do.
Right. The farther the hedge out, the more likely it's to expire worthless or never be in the profit. I actually opened an AMD credit spread, I think right before you got on.
Oh, nice.
72.5 and 67.5.
Oh, yeah, I was looking at that one yesterday too, actually.
Thinking about closing all my covered calls on Palantir.
Dude, I thought there's something wrong with my Discord. It's so quiet in here. The market's bleeding.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
Any news about it, or it's just one of those days, man?
Wait, isn't the Fed talking again today?
Yep.
I thought they talked. No, they talked yesterday.
They tried to pump the shit out of the market yesterday. They're probably like, all right, everyone get out, get out.
But yeah, so SPY is at lower VWAP right now and creating a bearish trend on the 1 minute chart, which is not a good thing.
Yeah, the banks are up again.
Sell. I'm telling you, man, you gotta hedge it with the meme stocks.
I had with bank stocks now. These fucking banks are pumping. JPM.
Things big. Yeah. Some.
That's Cost, GME, and AMC are all up today, right? Unless they took a fucking shit when market opened. I doubt it.
GME's down 1%.
Uh-huh.
AMC's up to 14, up 6%.
This is down.
Dude, if AMC hits 20, I'm gonna be worried about Mason. Like, legitimately worried about Mason.
It's just clearly about the rates because the banks are up and tech is down. They're expecting rate hikes.
Did Spectre talk last night, or are you gonna do that later?
I'm not sure. Holy crap! Yeah,
Not
it's for
last
sure
night.
the rates are up again. Like really up.
Yeah, they are.
What it jump to?
I don't know the percentage rates. I just look at /ZN to see the price of the bonds, and they're crashing.
1.7 on the 10-year.
1.7. Wow.
It was 1.5 last week.
Yeah. And I asked my finance professor, I was always curious, like, which one moves first, the price of the bonds or the rates? And it's the rates, basically.
I was gonna assume the rate.
Which makes sense because they can, change them. So
Wait. Did you guys know that Wall
What was the
Street
last time
Bets
the
donated...
price launched? It's been a while, man.
wait, what?
Donated what?
So Wall Street Bets donated $300,000 to Wild Gorillas.
Oh.
It's all gone downhill since Haram bacon lights.
Yep.
That looks like one of my butterflies filled. You take profit.
Well, question was, how do you check the bond rates again?
The way I do it, I don't look at the actual rate. You could. I just look at on Thinkorswim, ZN/ZN, and that's the 10-year Treasury note futures.
Oh,
So, and it's inverse to the rates. Bond prices are always inverse to the rates. So if /ZN is down, rates are up.
What's Big Sat?
Up 5%. right around 20. Really not that bad. Not that high. Could get way higher.
Yeah, just came down.
I want to go see it. Yeah, I see it. I'm like,
When is the Fed talk?
I think it was like around 1:30 to 2:30 Eastern time, I guess.
Yeah, I think it's around 11:30 our time, Mike.
Nice, nice.
It's his live, like, closing remarks, but it's a pre-recorded video.
With the way the market's today, I'm definitely waiting.
Yeah, Alan, are we still streaming?
Yes. Do you want me to end the stream?
Yes.
Might as well.
How come?
I'll give it a couple more minutes. Why, pourquoi?
You're at the bottom of the
Questions about stuff and things that you might be able to actually answer.
Yeah, give me a little bit. The stream's still going.
Okay, and just so you know, I am looking at institutional ownership of something, and I have questions for you.
Nice, okay.
John, did you open that Apple spread?
No, I went with AMD.
Nice.
That's what I was doing yesterday. I was debating between AMD and Apple, and I like the triple bottom on AMD. That support at 75, so I sold a 75 put.
I sold the 72 half.
Yeah, that's not call.
I almost did that one yesterday. Wasn't enough premium. I'm sure today it is good.
Today was $1.16.
Yeah. Collected like $90 for my 75.70 yesterday.
Nice.
Wait, for what date? 16 April?
Mine was 16th of April.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up?
Good morning. Hey, Mike, I was talking to John about this earlier yesterday. So ideally, you want a delta below 30, right?
If you want to have a 70% chance or higher, then yeah, of winning.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but yeah, I would say you should, in my opinion. Mike. Yo. Wait. Is Steph here? Steph.
Joe, before you say what you're gonna say, just as a reminder, I'm streaming on YouTube.
That's a good thing you said that, bro.
Much love.
I had a very eventful night last night.
Wait like 7 minutes to start that story.
Wait, what?
Wait 7 minutes to start that story, okay?
I know, I got you. I told Steph I was going out last night, and I was like, I might come back, and I wasn't even able to come back. Yo, so what are we looking at?
Stocks right now. I am watching Palantir and Ford.
What is that? Oh, Roblox is not doing too well right now.
Yeah, Roblox is currently trading at 47.58. Tesla.
You said 47?
Or 74, my bad.
GM?
Oh, I was like, oh my god.
GM is up.
Oh, yeah, no. Yep, them and Ford. Tesla is currently at the 1 minute cloud resistance.
Harley Davidson, HOG, HOG is up.
IPOE pumping at top of EWA.
You might even be able to get a scalp off of HOG. Bank of America is up.
Yeah, all banks are.
So would it be a decent time to get into Visa right now?
Into which one?
Visa.
I just added to my Visa swing.
Mike, what'd you say?
me see what it's at. Visa's down. It's a little high, but it's not bad.
CLBS is up. Oh, never mind. I lied.
220 is a significant area for Visa. So we have to hold this to continue this uptrend. But I love Visa.
Visa to the end, bro.
Amazing stock.
Jeez, how many minutes do I got left?
Like 3.
Yo, let's go steal. Let's go ATI. CSX. Oh, yeah, keep going, CSX. That's what I'm talking about, homies.
Alan, is the stream still up?
Yes.
God, this is taking forever.
Hey, you guys think Corsair is already priced in for the share lockup?
Honestly, it can go down lower probably.
Hey, is Sundial up again?
Yeah, I think it can go down lower, but it's been holding pretty steady.
Rocky, I think you sent it to the wrong number.
Yeah, I mean, what did we hit? We hit on that one day, it looks like a little under 28, or almost 28. So I'd say we'll hold probably 30, is my guess, but
Sundial's up 6%.
Are you planning on timing it to sell CSPs tomorrow, or are you thinking Monday?
probably thinking Monday.
Okay, that's what I was considering. Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah. Gotta see how the market does, though. Don't want to.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't want to miss out.
All the meme stocks are pumping. Sundial, GME.
GME's only up 0.9%.
That was just down.
Hey, have you guys ever seen an IPO that has a share lockup like within a week of its IPO, and then multiple share lockups in like the following week after that too?
Not that I've actually known.
Because like Coupang had some ridiculous like share lockups.
Yeah, man, that hurt. That hurt a lot.
Yeah, one was yesterday, and apparently there's one that's next week.
What? Oh my god.
And
this
they're
is gonna hurt.
and they're dependent on share price. I thought it was ridiculous when I read it.
Are you, John? Do you have an iPhone?
No, sir.
That's why.
Oh. So if I I just can't join now?
Yep.
Damn you,
Not
Elon.
part of the cool kids,
Rejected.
Wait, you guys need Clubhouse invites? I have 2.
I need
Well,
one.
apparently I need an iPhone to accept it.
I need one, and I got an
Make it
iPhone.
for Android.
I'll
I
probably
don't know
need
how the
one.
hell
Let
this
me
Clubhouse
install.
thing works, dude.
Joe, you said you need one?
Yeah, I've been trying to get in. I just deleted the app because I couldn't find a
Gotcha,
fucking.
bro. Hang on.
I've been dying to have a clubhouse thing.
If
I'm looking
someone
up
can
quad
send me
witching
an
and
invite,
triple witching,
that'd be great.
and it's like the same thing. It says the third Friday of the same month. Oh, 10:30.
There you go.
Wait, is Corsair at 22? No.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I was just wondering why Brian put 22 up. I was like, what?
Maybe you meant 32?
I don't even think it's gone that low today, has it?
It's 33.08 right now.
Dude, stock market's gonna be fun to watch tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
What the hell happened to Corsair?
Apple rejected by
Packers
VWAP.
down.
Not that bad.
Same with AMD. It's been consolidating underneath the VWAP until it fell below cloud on 1 minute.
SPA is just continuing to drop. This will be fun to see what happens. There was a bullish TK
Viking
crossover
FedEx have
here a
dividends
couple
coming up
minutes
on the first.
ago.
Oh,
Ooh, GE, let's go.
Upstart. Goddamn, $41.
A nice little W.
How's Volkswagen doing?
Hey, I'm gonna be muting the Discord here for a second. back. Sorry about that. Roblox Love Day 7303.
Hey, come back up, baby.
Oh wow.
Tesla's moving up.
Snow is like all the way down.
Dude, Dollar General. Oh.
When's Coupain's lockup next week? Do you know the date?
Oh, that's a pickup, Mike.
C dot.
DG.
Been looking really bad.
Doesn't look so
I
bad.
think long term, it's safe play.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it, but
Still wish I had mine at 90. They don't pay a terrible dividend.
no, the dividend's good.
CCIV go down.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
How many did you pick up, Alan?
I only grabbed 100.
Nice.
Yeah, so it just moves up 1 more percent, you know, and then I'll get 1 free equity. I'll take a free equity of Dollar General.
That's sick.
Yeah, I'm already up $50, so I'll take it.
I thought tomorrow was triple, which Vector said it's quad. What's the fourth?
I was just looking it up. It's both quad and triple. When you look them up, it says the third Friday of March, June. Like, forget the other 2 months, but I don't know
Yeah,
which one it technically is, but
It's they have to cover shorts, end of the quarter. What's the other two?
wait, cover short. Wait, what do you mean?
Like it's like the third Friday of every.
It's like March,
Index
June,
futures, stock
September,
futures,
December.
index options, and options contracts.
Third Friday of every March, June, September, December.
Yep. Because they have to do it on the third Friday of every month for their auction.
That's when the
But-
monthlies expire. That's why.
Yeah, but it's just the fact that it happened that third. Nothing else happened, so it's fine.
Come on, Philly. I'm trying to get out DG for free equity right here.
Word of the day. Top VWAP is right there at the bottom of the 5-minute cloud. It's also at the 50 SMA on the 5-minute.
DG's running out of steam. As I say that.
Still isn't overbought, still is not overbought on the 5-minute. It's at 59, the RSI. Did you get out right there?
Yep.
Nice. Wonder if DJ got that call.
Yo, look at UPST.
What is this? Upstart. Provides personal loans. Interesting. Consumer lending company using non-traditional variables such as education and employment predict credit worthiness.
Yo, UPST is just not stopping.
Essentially, it's a financial company.
I'm gambling, fucker.
Yeah, that thing is like $52, and then when they posted it was 41. Oh, 41.
Looks like they've had news on the Motley Fool 21 minutes ago. Quarter 1 guidance. Strong results in first earnings call. And announces acquisition 15 hours ago. Oh, it uses artificial intelligence too. Interesting.
Yeah, I filmed it in at the top for UPST, damn.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure that they're gonna be worth that. Lots of news driving them up right now. Good for everybody that bought in, nice.